We serve you best. Top 5 best refrigerator under 25,000 rupees.
Using Godrej's frost-free double-door refrigerator. This product is available in spacious capacities and energy-efficient ratings. Open the door to an ever-fresh and aromatic fragrance as the unit is equipped with an aroma lock deodorizer that prevents bad odor and slows down decay so that food stays fresh for longer. The unit also features a special antibacterial gasket around the door that helps in retaining cooling and also helps keep food fresh for longer. Godrej's double-door refrigerator offers wider bottle shelves and a jumbo vegetable tray that can fit all your vegetables, fruits, and even your favorite soft drinks or chilled water. It comes with toughened glass shelves that can withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans. Available with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10-year warranty on the compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective.
Presenting the Whirlpool IntelliFresh Frost-Free Double-Door Refrigerator with Adaptive Intelligence Technology and Convertible Freezer, which gives long-lasting freshness and smart storage space. It is available in multiple capacity variants, energy ratings, colors and designs. Whirlpool's Adaptive Intelligence Technology, equipped with multiple IntelliSensors and an advanced microprocessor, continuously senses changes in usage patterns, load inside the refrigerator and outside weather. It then adapts and controls the internal temperature and humidity to give up to 15 days of garden freshness. The convertible freezer comes with 5-in-1 modes that are designed for your customized storage needs. The advanced IntelliSense inverter technology adjusts the compressor speed in real-time coordination to give you faster cooling, energy saving, and exceptional durability. It also facilitates you to connect your refrigerator with a home inverter. The scientifically designed air tower and strategically placed vents let out cool and fresh air into different sections of the refrigerator, providing uniform cooling. Integrated at the bottom of the fresh flow air tower, the effective anti-odor action of Active Deo keeps the inside environment fresh and odor-free. Patented zeolite inside the freshenizer absorbs the excess ethylene, thereby preventing excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables. The unique microblock technology prevents up to 99% bacterial growth. The vegetable crisper and the honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintain optimum moisture in your vegetables and keeps them fresh for longer. The end-to-end glass shelves are made of toughened glass for maximum space utilization while holding the weight of large and heavy utensils. The refrigerator comes with a brand warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor.
Whirlpool presents the scratch-resistant and stylish NeoFresh glass door refrigerator, a perfect fit for modern homes. It comes in multiple colors and capacities. This refrigerator is packed with advanced technologies which give up to 12 days of garden freshness. Its 6th Sense deep freeze technology prevents cold air from escaping even when the freezer door is opened. And its microblock technology prevents up to 99% of bacterial growth in your fruits and vegetables. The Fresh Flow Air Tower with flexi vents circulates fresh air into different sections of the refrigerator, providing uniform cooling and long-lasting freshness. The effective anti-odor action of the Active Deo ensures that different odors don't mix with each other. And the vegetable crisper with honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintains optimum moisture in your vegetables. Its chilling gel helps retain cooling during power cuts and prevents ice from melting and food from spoiling. The Whirlpool NeoFresh glass door refrigerator operates in high fluctuation of voltage and does not require a separate stabilizer. This refrigerator comes with a 2-star rating and 10-year warranty on the compressor.
We serve you best.